this putting the
Oil change. 64,278. Big rain.
Hey, TJ. Tell Brian come out here so you gonna break it.
What'd you say?
Tell Brian come out here so you gonna break it.
Tell Brian to come out here.
Yes.
46, 19,
Yes.
At the oil changes.
Yes. Do I get my $7 discount? Oh no, I ain't doing all that. I knew it had a stipulation with it. Everything's working. Everything I do is everything's working. Everything's great. Everything I do is just gonna take up on the floor.
Delivery guest bay 2.
There's no way to explode anything. Right, it's just gonna be clean, right? There's nothing bad's gonna happen.
No, this is not a
the
car
car wash. If it was, our windows would be up. The windows would be up, not down. So you can uncover your ears.
I'm gonna take you to the car wash over there when I go to the car wash. You're gonna like that one. Because when you go in, all the different things like the wash and the wax, it is like a greenish blue. It's pretty.
Is it wait, the auto spa?
Yeah, over there. When I go over there, not today, but when I go, I'm gonna come and get you so you can see it. Okay?
Alright.
Let you sit at the front. It was nice. I enjoyed it. Then you can take your video. Okay? Well, we're not taking you, drama queen.
Yeah.
I want to see the video.
Oh, now since you said beautiful, now she's gonna want to see.
It's pretty. It's a beautiful color, right? It's not gonna scare you.
I said I want to see the beautiful.
What's a spa? Like a little calm place, like where that.
It's
Like-
like treating your car like you going to a spa, but you're treating your car to the spa.
So it's just like a car spa then. All the great things happen to your car, massages.
Yeah,
Like, what are you
the
gonna
brushes
say?
are like.
All right, what were you gonna say? All right.
What's important, Mariah?
And what were you gonna say?
I was about to say,
You need to speak up.
I think it's a beautiful.
Clock you out, boy. You a grown man.
The view. All right. Yes, it's a beautiful thing.
A beautiful view.
Okay.
Showtime, babe. 2. It's a VO 84 VA 214, babe. 2.
Mom. Say hello. Too bad you already got it.
I didn't say hello.
So you didn't have to.
Hi, hello.
I said you didn't have to.